Today we are breaking down a new loadout I've been putting together. Let's begin. The base uniform is the desert variant of the Vegetata pattern. The pants are regular issued ACU cut, comfy, simple, reliable. The top is more special. It is a US contract made through spec. These are very rare. A cool detail is how the pattern differs from the manufacturers, from micro-digital to more organic shapes. For the belt, I'm using a Blackhawk Riggers belt. Load rated, easy to use and bomb-proof. The same top comes back, but in regular Vegetata. The pants is where things get more exotic. These are UF Pro pants. I said it before, but these are up there when talking best combat pants on the market. High price, feature heavy and extremely comfortable. The Gen 2 pocket layout is even better than the Gen 3. The knee pads are perfect and the stretch pad feel amazing. What I miss from the Gen 3s are the respiration points and the integrated belt. Helmets are high dollar pieces, and this is my Militech ballistic helmet dressed up with a Vegetata cover to play the part. For accessories, I am using the G24 NVG mount, a Streamlight white and red task light, which I adore by the way. Sean Concept counterweight is fantastic and I have a Hellstar strobe. I don't need it, it just looks cool. Ear pros are the 3M Contact 5s with gel cap. And then for padding I use the 4D pads and a Wendy style suspension system. The plate carrier is my Defcon 5. It is a simple piece modeled after the DCS. I'm using the tubes mod on one side of the cummerbund. I'll explain why in a minute. 3 mags up front, 1 fast mag on the left. Also on the left is a Blackhawk 9mm pouch I use for my Leatherman. Reason why tubes only on the right side is because the big TCA 152 on the left would not sit right with them. It is housed in a Shock Concept arc wing that I modified with a G-hook for retention. The side cable leads into the Shock Concept admin pouch, thanks to integrated cable pass-throughs, which was my personal selling point. The pouch retains the radio KDU, which allows for total control of the radio without removing it from its hard-to-reach pouch. For some flair, I sewed this Vegetata hook panel which holds a low-vis Italian flag. The PTT is a TEA U94 which is held by my self-designed PTT holder. The back holds about 2 liters of water. And then we can see another ones on my products, which is designed to increase the rigidity and comfort of most plate carriers. On the right side is a big MG pouch I use for GP and mechanics gloves. The cummerbund has built-in slots for soft armor. I have here 6x9 level 3A soft panels. The extra shoulder pads are a cheap temporary thing, but the idea is to have extra padding on more hard points like collarbones and make the whole thing more comfortable. The rifle is the Beretta ARX 100, which is the civilian version of the US market of the Italian Army ARX 160. I have mine outfitted with an Aimpoint Pro, Zenico grip for ergonomics, and white light is a Streamlight. I have been using the Griffin armament suppressor on it for a while now, and the thing is flawless. It actually deletes recoil. I like this rifle a lot, really pleasant to shoot, super reliable and extremely easy to take care of.